Good morning, students. Today we will learn instrument transformer. All we know the transformer is there in first year syllabus, second year syllabus. Transformer is a static device that transfer energy from one circuit to another circuit without the change of frequency. Now what is an instrument transformer? Is it an instrument? No. Actually, we just think the overhead lines. Is it possible to measure the 132 kV voltage, 33 kV voltage, 66 kV voltage or more using a voltmeter? So this is not possible to measure the high voltage of the overhead lines, the substations, or to measure the high current in power lines. So we need some transformer, whether for the measurement of voltage, which will transformer, we can step down or step up the voltage or current. So in transformer that are used for the measurement purpose of voltages, we call it potential transformer or simply PT. And the transformer which are used for the measurement of current, we call it current transformer or CT. So this lecture is developed for the fourth semester students of Netaji Subhash Engineering College. Now, overview of my lesson plan. What is an instrument transformer? Ratios of instrument transformer, potential transformer, phasor diagram of potential transformer for finding the ratio error. Here we can see a simple diagram of transformer, and this one is the symbol of ideal transformer, and primary is connected to the supply and secondary is connected to the load. The same thing in the instrument transformer also, we have primary winding and secondary winding. Here we can see the schematics of current transformer and potential transformer. The primary winding is so connected that the current passing through it primary winding is so connected that the current being measured passes through it, and the secondary winding is connected to an ammeter. So this is the phase, this is the neutral, and in this winding the main current is passes through it, what we want to measure, and the secondary is connected to an ammeter, actually stepping down the current. In potential transformer, we want to measure the voltages. So primary winding is connected across the supply phase and neutral, right? And the secondary winding is connected to a voltmeter. So actually it's stepping down the voltages. And where we can see the actual figure of potential transformer and current transformer. See, the voltage is connected through it and secondary is connected to the voltmeter. and current transformer. This one is the figure of the current transformer. Actually, what are the questions that comes from this chapter? Define the following terms as used for instrument transformer: transformation ratio, nominal ratio, turn ratio, ratio correction factor, Bardeen. Okay, so we will learn all these ratios. I have explained all this thing in the classroom. Now draw the equivalent circuit and phasor diagram of a potential transformer. Explain the operation of potential transformer. Number 3 is derive an expression for the ratio and phase angle error of potential transformer. Describe the assumption made for derivation of error. So we will explain all this thing.